I had a friend who was a financial advisor, and he said I didn't have enough money in my retirement account for him to manage it. And I tend to not trust financial advisors, but I trusted him. And he suggested that I put my money in a couple of Vanguard's ETFs, which, do okay. But as I started paying attention to it, would go up a little bit and down a little bit and up a little bit and down a little bit. And it was straight across. So not not going up. Years ago, I played around with a Scott trade account, buying good companies, doing well, and then things just that you could not predict. Mark calls them, what are they, unpredictable events or something. There was a way to analyze this, but I didn't know how. And then when I started investigating the Platinum Channel, the technical analysis, I have a scientific mind and I loved it. You have ways to predict things and unpredictable events occur, but if you pay attention, and then I would learn about stops and limits and all kinds of things, and you have more control. I'd rather control it myself than trust somebody else. and you all are giving me the tools for that. The bottom line is I want the amount to increase. And yes, I have achieved that. It's interesting. There are different levels. Like what I've been going through now, I'm not doing the short-term swings. Those take more pay attention, and I don't have that time right now. But with what I've been taught, you can do it over a couple of weeks. So there's different levels that you can participate in, long-term, mid-term, short-term trades, and whatever fits your style or whatever's going on in your life. And I do better doing it on longer term than I do on the short term. I just am too busy in the mornings to pay attention and not buy in the first 30 minutes and figure out where you're going to put it in. That it's fun. I just don't have the time. And I like the camaraderie on the Platinum Channel.
This is created by our founder, Kerry. It is a fundamental analysis of AI related companies. Kerry is high on AI. It's the sector he is into, he enjoys. He gets into the fundamentals of it, the earnings per share, revenue, PEG ratios, PEs, the whole bit. He then calculates based on their forward earnings projections what he believes that stock price will be worth in the coming 2025 or 2020, end of 2024, 25, out all the way out to 26. So this is a very strong tool that you can then couple with our swing trading watch list or swing trading education. Mark runs this part of our company. He is a technical analysis guru, and he teaches you how to swing trade. And many people think swing trading is all about short term. These techniques and how Mark's process works can be applied to any time frame. And in these times, both good or bad, this is how you can risk manage, protect your assets, and build a process to capitalize and preserve and create wealth. These two go together. You use the cheat sheet, you use the stocks that Kerry has done fundamental analysis on, what he's high on, what he believes will be the future, and over the next 3 years be the strength of these coming markets. And then you put on top of that the teachings within the swing trading program, the Platinum Channel, the swing trading program, and you use those technicals to figure out when to buy, when to hold, and when to sell or reduce your risk. This is a great service, 14-day free trial. After 14 days, it becomes $60 a month, and we have enormous success. We're seeing great success with our investors and the people who are participating, and this is just value add. If you are interested in learning and how to analyze companies, how to invest in them, and take a proactive approach, this is for you. So check it out.